Within just 1 minute, they'll reach out to you. This method works with astonishing speed, showing results almost instantly. It's a powerful and impactful technique that will prompt that person to take action and contact you right away. Hello, everyone. Today, we continue moving forward with unwavering determination, just like the powerful flow of a river, taking confident steps towards your dreams and goals. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon, because we share new content 3 times a week that will bring the power of the law of attraction into your life. Activate the bell and be the first to know about our latest videos. Sometimes you might want to hear from someone, from a specific person right away. Perhaps you're struggling to connect with someone you're emotionally attached to. This video will transform that situation, offering you a completely new solution. In this video, you'll learn a simple technique that makes it possible for someone to send you a text or call within just 1 minute. With the power of the law of vibration and the law of attraction, the days of waiting for messages or phone calls are now a thing of the past. Remember this: if you truly desire to receive a text message or a phone call and wholeheartedly believe it will happen, you can make it possible right now. Act with that belief and keep in mind that the universe is always ready to respond positively to your determination. The universe works in alignment with your deepest beliefs and everything you accept as true. When you believe with full confidence, the universe will respond to you with the same unwavering certainty. The universe also responds to your feelings of wanting, needing, begging, hoping, and wishing. So, what does this mean? The energy you send out to the universe through these emotions will return to you in the form of experiences where you will find yourself wanting, begging, and wishing even more. This is because the universe has a tendency to amplify the energy of the feelings you focus on. The key point is this: if you want to receive a quick message or phone call, you must first learn to let go. Set aside any attachment to the outcome, relax, and act with a sense of complete trust. To unlock this secret, what you need to do is take a deep breath and surrender the result to the flow of the universe. Calm your mind, and with inner peace, trust that it's enough to feel that the message or call will reach you very soon, perhaps even within a minute. The more impatient and persistent you are while waiting for a phone call or message, the harder it can become. That's why, as I mentioned earlier, you need to free yourself from low vibration energies like wanting, begging, hoping, and wishing. Instead, simply surrender yourself to the natural flow of the universe with a sense of calm, trust, and clear certainty. When you shift into a state of certainty, the message or phone call will naturally come to you. Why? Because in this state, your mind is calm, your body is peaceful, and your energy is clearly focused. This balanced and harmonious state allows the universe to respond to you with a firm yes. When you enter a true state of relaxation, you accept with inner peace that everything is as it should be, allowing things to flow naturally. When you fully relax and let go, the universe provides you with what you need. By letting go of focusing on the outcome and reaching a sense of complete trust, everything becomes possible, even receiving a phone call or message within a minute. What I'm trying to convey is this: Stop pushing that message or phone call away from you. Instead of constantly wanting, hoping, and wishing, which only compresses and pushes the energy away, learn to let go. Trust the process, believe in your inner wisdom, and allow the energy to reach you through its natural flow. True power arises from a strong and unwavering sense of knowing. Now, relax yourself. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Then slowly exhale through your mouth and reconnect with the peace within you. Now, say these words to yourself with full sincerity. I trust. I am absolutely certain everything has already happened. I know. I know. Just say, I know. There's no need to add anything else, just one word, I know. Repeat this word and notice the deep sense of peace spreading within you. This calm will help you feel that everything is unfolding right now. When you truly begin to relax and completely decide to trust the universe, setting aside all worries, a new intuition emerges within you, one you've never felt before. This intuition will make you feel that the message or phone call you've been waiting for is right now on its way to meet you. For some of you, that message or call may have already arrived. All you need to do now is fully relax, reconnect with your inner peace, and accept with all your being the news that's coming from that special person. Feel this deeply in your heart. Perhaps in just a few minutes, an unseen miracle will unfold. In your mind, you begin to feel as if you're hearing the familiar sound of the phone ringing or the message arriving. You imagine yourself fully feeling the energy shared between you and that special person when you receive that message or answer the call. You feel their excitement and the warmth in your heart as one. There's no need to wish or wait for anything anymore. You are whole in joy, happiness, and inner peace. Most importantly, you feel completely secure, certain, and at peace throughout this process. On the other end of the phone, you can feel with every part of your being that that special person is eager to reach out to you, overflowing with the desire to connect with you on a deeper level. These feelings come to life as if they are becoming real in just a few minutes, just as you feel them right now. The only thing you need to do right now is incredibly simple. Let go. Open yourself up, believing that everything is ready to come to you, and trust the flow. Set aside any attachment to the outcome. If you're expecting a message right away, that's wonderful. But if it doesn't come immediately, don't worry, because I know that somehow that message will eventually reach you. I feel complete trust and certainty within me. Everything is progressing perfectly. I take a deep breath and relax, fully feeling the peace within me. And I truly know, you're feeling this too. There is not a single doubt within me that the message or phone call is happening right now. The love you desire, the money you've dreamed of, the happiness, joy, and health. Let's take a step together to turn these dreams into reality. I have some amazing news for you now. 2025 is swiftly moving towards becoming an unforgettable year in your life. And finally, if you'd like to discover more about the law of attraction, be sure to check out the next video. Let's keep sharing positive energy and I'm so glad you're here.